A pleasant welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic SoundForge.
Video lecture and e-content created by author R.D.Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCom CA, Ayanada Kemal College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamscCSIT@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Co-author K. Sivagami, BCom CA, student of MCom CA, Ayanada Kemal College, Sivagasi.
SoundForge. SoundForge is a digital audio editing software developed by Sony Creative Software. A new feature in SoundForge Pro 10 is event-based editing, which allows for more precise edition of audio clips. It is the ultimate all-in-one production suite for professional audio recording and mastering, sound design, audio restoration, and Red Book CD creation. Precious audio editing. It has commands to edit mono, stereo, and multi-channel audio files. It has commands to cut, copy, paste, mix, and crossfade audio. We can perform precious event editing and create fades, crossfades, and mix audio with easy. It supports drag and drop of audio between channels and work on one file while processing other in the background. Powerful audio recording. SoundForge Pro 10 software has complete set tools for recording audio. We can record audio from sound card or use the record timer to begin and end the session at a specific time and date. Alternatively, we can start recording when a certain audio threshold is reached with threshold recording triggering. Effects processing. We can apply over 40 professional studio effects and processes including normalize, EQ, delay, chorus, volume, dynamics, noise gate, pitch shift, flange, and vibrato. SoundForge Pro 10 software includes high quality Z-Plane Elastic Pro Time Stretch and pitch shift plugin for pristine audio mastering. It is also included with Mastering Effects Bundle 2, which is powered by Isotape. This powerful bundle includes 6 professional audio plugins: Mastering EQ, Mastering Reverb, Multiband Compressor, Mastering Limiter, Stereo Imager, and Harmonic Exciter. Audio for video. SoundForge Pro 10 software supports multiple video formats including AVI, WMV, and MPEG-1 and MPEG-2. It precisely synchronizes audio and video frame by frame. Recording and playback. When we record high fidelity audio in stereo or multi-channel formats, SoundForge software provides the tools for professional results. We can accurately monitor audio levels using VU meters. We can use the record timer and threshold based recording for various tasks. Multi-channel audio recording. With SoundForge Pro 10 software, we can record multi-channel audio when using multi-channel sound devices. Each audio stream can set to a particular channel and it can be edited in the SoundForge interface just like a stereo files. Thank you.